What's up guys? Today we're here to talk about why squats feel unstable. So if you're tall like me, squatting can sometimes feel awkward, unstable, and sometimes leaning forward to the point that you feel like you're gonna fold in half. But here's the kicker. This isn't always about height, but more so femur length. So even if you're not tall, but squats still feel off, this will fix it. I'm 6'3", long femurs, and for years I thought I sucked at squats. I tried to stay super upright, force my knees forward, copy what I saw online, and it just never felt right. Something felt off. It wasn't a strength issue so much as a mechanics issue. Here's the first thing you have to understand. If you have long femurs, your squat is going to look different. You're going to have more forward torso lean, and that's not bad form, that's just physics. The most common mistake is trying to force your body into a position that doesn't fit your structure. So instead of chasing a perfect looking squat, we're going to build one that actually works for your body. It usually comes down to a few quick, simple fixes. First, your stance. If you've got longer femurs, a slightly wider stance with your toes turned out is usually going to feel way more natural. This gives your hips more space to move and reduces how much mobility is required to hit depth. So instead of thinking straight down, think sit between your hips. This one change alone will clean up a lot. Next is proper bracing. You want your ribcage stacked over your pelvis as much as possible. This is what keeps your squat strong and stable. Now, here's the key. You're not going to stay perfectly upright the whole time, and that's okay. Stay stacked and braced as long as you can, then hinge without losing tension. Don't force yourself upright, but stay tight instead. The analogy that I give is always the pop can under pressure. You can stack a lot of weight on top of that pop can when it's under pressure, and that's the same idea with when we squat. We want to be under pressure. So when you open that can, when you let your breath out as you're going down, that's when we're going to collapse. To learn proper bracing, if you take your thumbs here, you insert them just above your hip bone, relax, a proper brace should drive your thumbs outwards. So think about that anytime you're in the eccentric, the lowering phase of a squat. Now what's crucial is you have to accept and control the lean. This is where most people go wrong. They try to eliminate that forward lean completely. But if you have long femurs, some forward lean is necessary to stay balanced. So instead of fighting it, control it. In doing so, your squat becomes a blend of knees coming forward and hips sitting back slightly, all while staying braced. And the bottom line is, if you fight this, you'll feel unstable. If you work with it, everything starts to click. Now let's talk about what actually helps you build this. First, front squats. These are one of the best tools for learning proper positioning because they force you to stay more upright and engaged through your core, reminding you to brace and stay stacked. It's much easier when the weight is in front of us as opposed to behind us, especially if you have long femurs. Second is heel elevation. Throw a small plate under your heels or use lifting shoes. This reduces ankle mobility demands and lets you hit depth much easier. Number 3 is low bar back squats. This is just a better alternative for a lot of long femur lifters. This just feels more natural and balanced compared to high bar. If you really want to improve your squat, you can't skip single leg work. Movements like Bulgarian split squats, touchdown squats, and even pistol squats help with controlling that hinge, controlling that brace, and maintaining tension the whole way through. These will help you build strength, stability, and mobility all at once without the same spinal load as a barbell squat. For many people, this is where things finally start to open up. Now, a few quick things to avoid. Stop trying to squat like someone built completely different than you. Forcing yourself upright at all costs, chasing depth without control. Thinking forward lean automatically means bad form. Most of the time, it doesn't. If your squats have always felt off, it's probably not a strength issue. It's just that you're built different. Because deep down, we know that you're a beast. Build your squat around your structure, not somebody else's. If you want to learn how to increase your range of motion in your squat, check out this video here. And if you want to learn how to control that same range of motion, check out this video here. Until next time, guys, hope you enjoyed. Later.